Hi everyone, your Tampa Bay real estate expert, Lance Mohr, and in this video I want to go over the FHA loan. What is the FHA loan? What are the pros and what are the cons? Alright, so FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration, and they're a department in HUD, which is the Housing and Urban Development. Now, what FHA does is they actually insure loans. So it's the government insuring the loan of default for the lender. So FHA has a lot of advantages. The main advantage that people like about FHA is their low down payment. It's a formula, but it's approximately 3.5%. And like all loans, they'll allow the seller to pay your closing costs. They'll also allow a relative or a close family member to give a gift and pay your down payment as well. So that's a real advantage for a lot of people. Most people think of the FHA loan as just a first-time home buyer loan. It isn't. Not necessarily. The one thing is you can't have an FHA loan and get another FHA loan at the same time. Some other advantages of FHA is their interest rate is generally better than a conventional loan. Now when I say conventional, most people will think of Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loans. They are also a little bit more flexible when it comes to the debt to income ratio. You could generally go a little higher on an FHA, and they're a little bit more flexible with the credit scores. Your credit score could be a little lower on the FHA. So there's a lot of advantages, but probably the biggest disadvantage, if there ever is any, is the fact that you have to get mortgage insurance. It's not private mortgage insurance like Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. With FHA, it's just called mortgage insurance, but it's not that you have to get it. It's just the mortgage insurance stays with you the life of your FHA loan. So let's say you buy a home and maybe you are a first-time home buyer. You buy a home and the average price in your market is $200,000. You live in the home for 6 years and you're ready to move out and you want to rent it. Well, you're going to be paying that mortgage insurance. Unlike a conventional loan, it's not going to go away. So generally speaking, and the lender's going to know your situation, they'll be able to give you some good advice if you could get a good, honest lender, is generally speaking, most people don't want to go on an FHA loan for the mortgage insurance reason unless you have to. Most people will opt to put, if they can, put 5% down or if they're putting more down. But there may be some reasons that FHA would be the best for you. And again, get a good loan officer. They'll be able to tell you this. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm not a lender. I was in lending for a number of years. But again, I would say find a good loan officer. Talk to them. Let them take what's called an application on you, look over everything, pull your credit scores, and give you the advice you need on which loan is best for you. And then you could always ask them, if they say conventional, say why. If they say an FHA loan is better for you, say why. Challenge them a little bit so you know. If you have any questions, give me a call. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I wish you the best of luck. Have a wonderful day.